I thought we have a sticker for this. I don't know where are the stickers. Does it have a sticker? No?
Not a sticker, it's toys.
Ooh.
I see a toy star. Blue.
Show them.
Blue.
Blue. Shining bright all over town. Yay, got you! I think these are the stickers. Yeah. Ito po, may stickers. Yeah, yes.
Shapes.
No, it's just, what's the shape of this?
Circle.
Yeah, circle. If you put it here, it will have an adhesion. Say adhesion. Adhesion. Subtraction. Tanggal. Oh, dikit mo na. Saan natin ito ididikit?
Dito.
Okay. Ayan po. Nagdidikit na po ang bata ng stickers na nakadikit sa
Big
stars.
star.
Lagyan muna natin
Charlie,
ito sa
big
lid.
star. No, mommy, I'm dead.
Okay.
No, I'm not
Sure.
dead.
Yeah, this one, nakaganyan siya. Ayan po. So, doble po yung kanyang cover. Ayan. Doble yung cover. Excited? Yeah, you put the stars. The big star. That's the biggest star you have. Show them, please. While mommy is getting
Blue one, two blues.
two blues. Big blue. How many stickers should we put? 1, 2, 3, 3 for the other small stars. So, meron tayo. So, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 lang. Tipid. Dalawa lang. Ito. Not yet. We will put 2 stickers. Yeah. Yeah, like the eyes. Look. Show them that it's like stars with
Mouth.
No need. Kulang na. Pwede naman ito tanggalin natin, guntingin para mas steady. Okay, we'll do that. Okay. Tatatlohin para sure.
I pick one moon.
What? Rectangle? No, it's crescent. Say crescent. Yeah, crescent shape. Okay, ito na. Idikit mo na to. Saan mo didikit? It's your time to shine and to decide. Yay! Yes. Good job. Look, it's sticky. Of course, it has a sticker.
So many now.
Yeah.
So many now.
Oh, sticker. Oh, star. Next, where did you put? Ay, hindi niya pa nilalagay. Ito naman. Ilan na lang po ang natitira? 3 na lang pong stars. 2 small, tas isang medium.
2 left.
2 left? Wow, 2 left daw. Anak ko po magaling na mag-English. Pero hindi pa siya nakakapagbasa. So, I'm trying na turuan siya. Kasi sobrang busy po natin. Minsan, hindi na po natin natuturuan talaga ng step by step. Pero nagtatry po pa rin talaga ako. Next.
Hey!
Only the stars and the moon muna tonight. Ano, the first set.
It's mine, mommy.
Tomorrow naman.
No, mommy. One moment.
Ito pa. One moment. Okay, do that. Yay! Didikit na ng baby. Careful. You can scatter them somewhere. I will put another one. Hindi mo siyang dumidikit yung isa. Dagdagan natin, baby. Yeah, I will put another one. Oh, I think we... Hindi ko pa natatanggal yung cover. Sorry. Sorry, man.
Ikaw, mommy?
Ay, ako. Ayan na. Sticky na yan.
Yay! It's working! Yay!
It's working. Woohoo!
That's all. It is.
We did it. Oh, this one. Meron pa isang small. Tapusin natin itong vlog kapag yung ito na dikit na natin. Ano, bebe? Halika na.
No.
Hindi pa kasi natatanggal yung ano niyan, sticker. Ayan, pwede na yan. Sinabing pwede na, okay na. Pero may mga iba na pwede na. Mediocre po yun. No, because we want quality. Somehow quality. And save time. This one, hindi pa tapos. Ang dami pa. Hickory dickory dock.
Mommy, what's this?
Ito, tatapon na po ito. Pero pwede pa ito mga stars. Parang feeling ko gusto kong gupitin to. Pwede pa to. Yes. Alas na. Yeah. Hindi pa yan. Wala pang sticker. Come on, it's vlogging, baby. Like the henero mo. Doon nga tumingin doon. Happy. Welcome. Say welcome to our channel. Anong cello?
It's not funny.
It's not funny daw. Natumba ka? It's not funny talaga.
Mommy, it's
Natumba.
not funny.
Oh, exchange.
Yay! It's mine!
Okay. Better.
Mommy.
Ito na lang naman po. Babay si Mami.
5 star.
5 star. It's Moon.
Moon.
Yeah, present mo. Hindi pa tapos.
Sige.
Tatanggalin natin to. Tingnan mo. Meron niya to. Ito po, oh. Ayan. Oh. Natutuklap. Maniyak mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Tanggalin ko to. Pwede pa tong sticker. Yung pinanggalingan ng mga round stickers.
Mommy.
Pwede pa to. Para mas matibay yung pagdikit nitong moon. Ano? Diba? Mas economical. Yes! Woo! Look.
Let me try. No, it's not.
Wala na yan. Ubus na yun. It's not working. Sana, tatuklapin na natin. And you can stick the moon. Wait, hindi pa tapos. Sige, try mo idikit. Tingnan natin kung didikit. Okay. So, nagets niya po. Tatanggalin talaga muna yung mga file. Ayan. Sige, faster. Hindi na nakikita. Show them. Show. So, para sa bata po, halos lahat ng bagay, puro laro. Kahit ang pagkain mo, puro laro. Pero dapat maintindihan niya yan paunti-unti. Explain sa kanila na hindi lahat ng bagay laro. Ano?
Sige, mommy.
Oh, this one. Oh, remove it. Show them. Yeah! So now, this moon is ready to be stuck on the wall.
Wow!
You try, baby, like this ang ano niya, ha? You try like this ang position or like this. Sige nga, lagay mo na. Okay. Are you sure with that? Diyan sa area na yan? So, yan sa may ulunan niya kasi yan. Okay. Wow. Okay. Say thank you for watching.
Hindi tapos.
Di ba tapos? Thank you for watching. This one for tomorrow. We are tired na. Not too much. Not giving toys. All the toys to babies are fine. Or is fine. Ano po? Not too much. One at a time. I told you, if you obey mommy, I'll give you reward. Ano? Reward. Say reward. 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 Yan, reward. Correct. So, do you want this tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow. Because we need to sleep. But before you sleep, you will drink your milk. Okay? And, Didi time. You want Didi? Yes. Bye-bye. So, thank you for watching. Remove this one first. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Manang, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please subscribe. Like this video.